guys, we're in the new onsen now. Ayan, kita nyo ang white cherry blossom. Punta tayo dyan later. This is the place. Going now. New onsen. This is my second time here. The place. So guys, see you later. We will enter na. Yeah, this is the place. So bye. Guys, we are here in the lobby now. My second time here. Ayan yung pool. Later we will go there. This is the souvenir section. This is the underground. This is the coffee shop section, guys. This is a nice place. Coffee shop section. This is it. This one, nice. So later we go there. Yeah, here na, ayan o. It's the place. Nice. Nice place. Sakura is over there. Watashi minai de. Ayan ang sakura, guys. In the front of me. Bye. So guys, here we go to, I will go to onsen na, guys. So see you later. We go outside. We go to outside. We go outside. Bye, guys. The front desk. And this is the souvenir section. The souvenir section, guys. See the souvenir section. Bye. We go outside na. Ne. Soto iko kara ne. Jibun de iko yo, onsen. Ikeru? Oh, ikeru. Wakaru mo. So guys, YouTube circle. Bye guys. We go here. Itutur ko lang kayo bago ako pumunta ng spa. Dahil po, pag kami na, hindi na natin siya makikita. Sakura. Bye. Hello guys, this is the place. Ayan o. You can see we're in the top of the mountain. So we need to see the sakura before it's falling soon. This is the place, guys. They have a pool there. You can see over there have a sakura. Before I go to spa, I will flex the sakura. Yeah. April in Japan. White cherry blossom downstairs. So guys, ayan. Flex. Ayan yung sakura. So yan siya guys. Oh. So I will go to spa na. Bye. Hey guys, we go to spa na. I want stairs. Yes, ang ganda, diba? Yan yung ilaw, ganda. Social. So guys, na-flex ko na yung labas. So I need to go to spa na. This is the place. Oh. We go to spa na. Hope you enjoy my vlog. Star Travel 1437. Let's enjoy hot spring. 100% natural hot spring, guys. Dito pala. This is the place, guys. So, enjoy. Hot spring. So, nice place. So, ayan yung labas yung parking nila. So they can relax, stress-free, and nice for health, ang hot spring. Yung parang relax time ng boys and girls. So this is the place, guys. So this is the place. So hindi na pwede yung camera. Bye! To my room na. This is the place. Ayan. I finished onsen na. That's the view. Cherry blossom white. Ayan. You can see. This is the nice view, guys. Hope you enjoy the white cherry blossom. Hope you enjoy, guys. That's the place. VIP with hot spring. VIP room with hot spring. In Japan is Rotenburu. So guys, mainit yan. Grabe. So guys, I will enjoy my hot spring. Hope you like my video. It's an open air hot spring, guys. Ayan. Yan. Hope you enjoy my vlog. Bye, guys. Enjoy. Open air. Bye. Hello, guys. This is the open air hot spring. Hope you enjoy my vlog. Ayan siya, guys. The open air hot spring. Ayan, guys. Hope you enjoy. This is my room over there. Yan. My room. Hope you enjoy. Hot spring in Japan. Hello guys. Thanks all of you. Relaxing after cherry blossom. Ganda na skin. Bye. Hot spring is the best in body, mind, and soul. Let's eat sushi. Sushi guys, sushi. Ano niya? Kawamushi. The tempura. What is that? Ebi chili?
エビとイカがあったらエビチリとイカチリがこれもエビとイカがあったら
私と並んでるエビマイネストリーム
これイカ食べてるなラーメンあったら
あとでラーメン食べる
うちの狭いね
So guys, see it. On Monday here in Japan, no people. Much better to go to onsen with weekdays.
これたこ焼きイカチリあそんな
This is the buffet, buffet style. Many food. Japanese food, sushi, and I will get my drinks. Dinner time. Tempura. This one. Many Japanese food. We go to salad. Salad style. So guys, I will get my drink now. Cola. This one. Soft cream. This is the soft cream. I will get soft cream this way. The soft cream. Guys, this is my Rotember guys at night na in Japan. And this is my room. So at night na, that's my room. This is the onsen. So guys, I go to onsen na. Flex. Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy my YouTube. Bye. This is my room. Bye. I go to spa na. Bye. Bye guys. Night in Japan. Night time. Guys, check out na later. So, I go to my room na. Yeah, you can see the cherry blossom. Elevator guys. Go downstairs na. Yan na. Bye. See.
Welcome Star Travel Blog. Like and share comments.